Let me ask you something. What would you do if everything you built today was destroyed tonight? No warning, no explanation, just gone. For a spider, that's normal. Every night it builds a web, thread by thread, carefully, patiently. A perfect design made from silk. But the world doesn't protect that work. Wind can tear it apart. Rain can wash it away. A passing animal can destroy it in seconds. Hours of work, gone instantly. But here's the amazing part. The spider doesn't panic. It doesn't complain. It doesn't sit there thinking about failure. It simply starts again. Thread by thread, piece by piece, rebuilding what was lost. Humans often quit after one setback, one rejection, one mistake, one bad day. But the spider shows us something powerful. Failure isn't the end. It's just part of the process of building something strong. Because every web, every success, starts the same way. One small thread at a time.